That's my happy coffee dance. That is how you want to start your St. Patrick's Day morning, or frankly, any morning. It's coffee forward, it's whiskey forward, but it's got all of those beautiful complementary maple, caramel, vanilla, nutty notes. And then of course, it's rich and creamy from your heavy cream, and it is just absolutely delightful. So let's go shopping. So what would Shanky's Shaken cold brew be without Shankys Whip? This is a fantastic flavored whiskey. It is an Irish whiskey that is infused with vanilla and caramel. It has a really natural vanilla note and tastes like homemade caramels, and it brings just sweetness and a lot of really lovely flavors. Also, who doesn't love this bottle? I don't even know what's happening here, but I like it. So, Shankys Whip. So next we're gonna use Keeper's Heart, which is local, but made by an Irish distiller. So it's sort of a blend Irish-American whiskey that is gonna be perfect for this cocktail. Next, we are going to use this Pedro Ximinez sherry. So the PX sherry is a dessert wine. I love the depth and the little bit of like complexity and like the nuttiness paired with the coffee. It just adds another level and sort of element to this coffee cocktail that is just delicious. So I'm gonna show you how to build our Shanky's Shaken cold brew, which is like the step up to your Irish coffee, and it is fucking delicious. Okay, I probably can't say that, can I? 1.5 ounces Irish whiskey. 1/2 ounce Shankys Whip. 1/4 ounce maple syrup. Ideally, use the real stuff. 1/2 ounce Pedro Ximinez sherry. 1.25 ounces heavy cream. 3 ounces cold brew. And dry shake. That sounds bad. Woo! All done. Make sure you have the top on. This is a gently dry shake. Your martini glass. And that is how you create the Shanky's the Shanky's Shaken cold brew. Say that 10 times fast.